Today we're going to be looking at Parker 2820 XLD. It's got the twin 300s, secondary station, Garmin, radar, chart plotter, rocket launchers, West Coast bow rail, Lumar windlass, real deal. So today I'm going to be replacing what Parker could have done a better job on, but they've got these rod holder cup holders. Let's see if I can get a better view on that. But for a $200,000 boat, they really could have. They really cheaped out on this one. It's plastic, and it is breaking. So the company that makes those, that Parker buys those from, is Mate Series, and I called Mate Series, told them about the issue, and these guys came through in the clutch. And they know about the issue. Apparently there's some gasket that Parker put underneath those that eats away at that plastic material. And so Mate Series made something that is truly unique for me, which is a stainless steel version with the Parker engraved logo. Voila. Solid craftsmanship. I can't believe that Parker cheaped out on this particular item. I'm going to put a link on this down below for anybody that wants to get this. And the engraving is the exact match to the Parker logo. It was only a few extra dollars to get that done. Mate Series, combination rod and cup holder. Alright, let's switch out the old ones. So just taking a closer look here. Essentially I have 3 screws and 3 bolts underneath the gunwale, and then it should pop right out. Let's get to it. Alright, so we're going to go with 11mm socket to hold down the bottom, Phillips head screwdriver.
That's first. Do the rest.
Alright, there you have it. There's the old one. cheap plastic. And I think it's this piece underneath here that causes it to corrode. Also made by Made Series. I don't know why Parker would opt for this. Alright, let's get the new one installed. So again, Made Series, all stainless steel. They provide the back plate, support plate, bolts. Let's get it done. Fits perfectly into the standard holes. Under the gunwale. Slip in the backing plate. There is our finished product. Looks great. And now we're going to do the other side. Same process. Same issue. The drill makes things go a little faster. I usually hate using a drill on the boat for anything, but in this case. Same issue, just completely destroyed, and it's all because of this gasket that they used, that Parker put in. Get that cleaned up, put the new one in. Alright, comes a new one, just pop that in. Backing plate, 3 bolts.
using the socket to hold the nut. Okay. Don't want to over tighten this at all.
All right, all done. I'll show you on the bottom here. Super easy to install. All right, that's a 2820 Parker XLD, twin Yamaha 300s. Looks amazing.